Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself. This prevents static damage and accidental shorts. Once unplugged, remove the case side panel and disconnect the monitor cable so nothing tugs the card. Make sure you locate the PCIe latch and any PCIe power connectors, 1, 2, or even 3 6/8-pin plugs. Next, unscrew the card bracket screws. Keep them together. Do this now. Depress the slot latch and gently rock the card free while supporting its edges. Once the old card is out, align the new GPU's gold fingers with the PCIe slot. Press straight down until you hear the latch click. This ensures electrical contact. Make sure the bracket lines up, then tighten the retention screws so the card won't sag. Now connect the necessary 6-pin or 8-pin power cables from the PSU. Verify each connector is fully seated. Power up briefly to confirm fans spin and the BIOS or post-shows video. If good, shut down to reinstall drivers. You should boot into your operating system and first remove legacy GPU drivers so the new driver installs cleanly. Then install the current driver package from the manufacturer. Once drivers are confirmed, reinstall the case panel and tidy cables to improve airflow. Monitor temps and RAM usage for the next day or two. If you don't get a post, recheck power connectors, reseat the card. Try another PCIe slot or test with a different PSU. These steps usually isolate power, slot, or card faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.